Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, I want to do a spirit reading for you today, influenced by the energies of the solar eclipse happening this week. So, let's get started. Card number 1 is the Nine of Wands upright. Being from the Wands suit, this card is a fire sign and its moon energy in Sagittarius. This card represents resilience, determination, and the ability to overcome obstacles. In the context of the solar eclipse's effect on your week, your spirit guides suggest through this card that you might encounter unexpected challenges or setbacks. However, your previous experiences have equipped you with the strength and resilience to face these difficulties head on. Trust in your abilities to keep pushing forward, knowing that you have what it takes to overcome any obstacles that come your way. Card number 2 is the Fool reversed. This is an air element card, and its energy is influenced by the planet Uranus. The spiritual energy of Uranus defaults to long-term radical change. Rejecting conformity at all costs, it's not afraid to choose chaos over structure. And this card in reverse indicates a need for caution and careful consideration before taking any major risks or making impulsive decisions. The solar eclipse may bring about a sense of restlessness or desire to change, but it's important to approach any new ventures with a grounded and practical mindset. Take the time to evaluate the potential consequences and weigh the pros and cons before jumping into something new. While it's important to embrace new opportunities, it's equally important to exercise caution and avoid unnecessary risks. Card number 3 is the Wheel of Fortune upright. The Wheel of Fortune card is associated with the planet Jupiter in astrology, a planet known as the Greater Benefic in astrology. Jupiter rules the zodiac signs of Pisces and Sagittarius, and this card can connect us with great spiritual depths, higher learning, and expanded horizons. Jupiter, Saturn's mythological son, is the airy planet of truth, freedom, wisdom, and expansion. And this card signifies a turning point or a change in fortune. The solar eclipse's effect on your week may bring unexpected shifts or changes in different aspects of your life. This card reminds you that life is constantly evolving, and sometimes events occur beyond our control. Embrace the changes that come your way and trust in the natural cycle of life. Remember that even in uncertain times, there are opportunities for growth and positive outcomes. I also have a Lenormand card for you, and this is the Moon. In the context of this reading, this card suggests the need for a moment of contemplation, introspection, and regeneration. You may be in a time of uncertainty, which could be causing feelings of confusion and doubt. You will need to take some time to explore these feelings and understand the motivations behind them. Once you have a better understanding of yourself, you can make more informed decisions as to the best path forward. Overall, the eclipse's effect on your week may present challenges and unexpected changes, but you have the resilience and determination to overcome them. Approach any new opportunities with caution and careful consideration, and trust in the natural cycle of life and the universal energies to guide you through these changes. Embrace the turning point that the eclipse brings and remain open to the possibilities that lie ahead. Use this moment of incredible celestial energy to recharge. Stay grounded, trust in yourself, and remember that you have the ability to navigate any challenges that come your way. If you need a stone to channel your intentions, Sunstone is great for this purpose. The Sunstone properties are connected to the energy of the sun. This crystal's bright, positive energy aligns your mind, body, and spirit with its high vibrations. It also helps align your chakras. Sunstone provides a source of strength if you're dependent on others emotionally or have suffered the sudden loss of a partner. The energy of Sunstone reminds you that life is meant for living and enjoying. Although we all experience ups and downs, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I hope this reading resonates with you, and if not, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.